Hello and welcome to this special session on science opportunities at an underground science laboratory. A few of the people sitting here, including myself, have been involved in efforts of building such a laboratory for the last 2 decades. And while doing that, we found that we were all neutrino physicists, but we found that scientists from many other disciplines would also benefit from having an underground science laboratory, and started talking to many of them. And this is a result of that. So we thank the Academy for giving us the opportunity to present this. But let me first request Professor Vinod Gaur to say 2 words.
I should like to add my own welcome to all of you here, most warmly, to this meeting of great expectations and rich potential. It's aimed at highlighting the prospects of probing some fundamental science questions using experiments in a deep underground facility, far removed from the clamorous ground and noisy skies. Some of these include the elusive nature of neutrinos and of the hypothetical weakly interact that are imagined to constitute dark matter. And pending that knowledge, the use of neutrinos' extraordinary penetrative ability to explore the dynamics of processes in the cores of astrophysical bodies, which are inaccessible to radio and optical astronomy, and planetary bodies, notably the Earth, its density structure, which in fact drives all the processes that have created this planet, its landscape, and finally ourselves. Although, unlike other countries, India does not have such a deep, quiet experimental facilities, Indian scientists, not lacking the audacity of imagination, continue to pursue some of these researchers using a less deep experimental facility and whatever data may be available globally. Some of these questions of deep import to our understanding of the beginnings of the universe and its evolutionary course, already raring to be addressed when such a facility becomes available, will be outlined by the presentations that follow. They endanger the strong belief that in the course of such studies, when initiated, yet more puzzling questions are bound to crop up to challenge and excite the imagination of many young minds of tomorrow. This is the way we get to learn the increasingly more subtle character of the entities that make and run our universe. Our generation has the responsibility to ensure that these latent possibilities do not become a forfeit for India's new generation of scientists, because we fail to act now to create the requisite infrastructure and launch scientific endeavors worthy of emulation and being excelled. The presentations that follow will outline the already well-imagined research avenues that are waiting to be explored at a deep underground facility, and look forward to a strong endorsement of this idea by the Academy in the true spirit of its far-sighted founder.
Thank you, Professor Gaur.